RC, show me the Rubik's Cube. Go.
Here's the Rubik's Cube.
Reduce the size of the Rubik's Cube. Go.
OK, back to the cube's normal size.
Can you increase the size of the Rubik's Cube, please? Go.
Making the cube 2.5 times bigger.
Scramble the Rubik's Cube. Go.
Scrambling the cube.
Okay, RC, I'm so tired to solve this Rubik's Cube. Can you solve it, please? Go.
Solving it now. Watch. There you go, solved.
Okay, hide the Rubik's Cube. Go.
OK, hiding the cube.
Can you increase your size? Go.
Bigger it is, boss.